Hello and namaskar to all my joyful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully you all are very good and doing great in your life. So today I want to touch one topic, that is human brain. Now the question is, can we make our brain bigger so that we can act better and our intelligence can function better? Today there is substantial neurological evidence by the neurological scientists that there is only two way that we can increase the size of the brain. One is we can increase the existing size of the neuron. The thing is, you can see or observe that the child who born with more neuron, exists more neuron in their brain, they are very restless and hyperactive and very overactive all the time. These neuron can be used if we can channelize their energy and act certain kind of act in their body, brain and the overall system. So this is the one way increase the size of the existing neuron. And another thing is, we can pack more neuron. But if we pack more neuron, the thing is, only this much of brain, only this much brain, 2 pounds of brain use 20% energy of our whole body. Now the thing is, if we increase or if we pack more neuron in our brain, then the kind of energy it's needed to, it's require, then our body will not be able to produce that kind of energy and that kind of and sustaining the body, because this much body only requires 80% of energy, and this brain, only 2 pounds of brain, only needs 20% of energy. So our body will not be able to produce that kind of energy and sustain our body. Now the question is, can we evolve physiologically more further? Is it possible? Definitely it is not possible physiologically evolve further, because if we want to physiologically evolve further, then there is need to be certain changes in the planetary system and the whole cosmic system, because planetary system and the whole cosmic system is like potter's wheel. It's spun and it's continuously going on. But the thing is, the total planetary system is already reached its peak, because the diameter of the moon and the distance between the earth and the moon is 108 times, and the diameter of the sun and the distance between the earth and the sun is 108 times. So each have already its peak. And the why I am saying this, I am explaining you, because there is 114 junction point in our body. Among them, two is outside of our body, because that is used for certain kind of mystical purpose. And among 112, there is 108. If we taken care of this 108, the 4 will automatically taken care of. So there is only 108. That's why I'm saying that physiologically we cannot evolve further. But the question is, can we use the existing capacity of the brain in more and more better way? Definitely that possibility is always there. If we become more and more conscious, our body, brain and our whole system can be function better, and we can act more better, our intelligence and everything can function better. And human life is all about growth and possibility, and we are growing every day. If we can observe that we are going every day, are we not? Definitely. So definitely there is possible, if we become more conscious, our body, brain and the whole intelligence, the way we are functioning, it can function better. So we must strive for this, rather this neuron kind of things. So that's it from today's video. I hope you like this, and always be stay healthy, happy, joyful and blessed. And no matter whatever happen in the outside world, inside must to be always wonderful. Thank you so very much. Love you all. Namaskar.